Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you're concentrating, you're still having difficulty gathering your thoughts? That is what it feels like to have brain fog. Sad to say that I'm beginning to recognize this feeling all too well. Last month, I was in the middle of presenting to my team during All Hands, which is a bi-monthly meeting where the entire company shares project highlights. I was just about to describe the results of a new study that we did, and the words just weren't coming out right like they normally do. My face got red and flushed. I sat there stammering with ums and ahs, and I was well prepared, and it happened anyway. As the team leader, the situation was embarrassing, and I got really frustrated with myself. I present all the time. Why was this happening now? I was experiencing brain fog, also known as mental fatigue. It's a common symptom during perimenopause and menopause. While many believe that brain fog has to do with poor sleep, you may be surprised to know that brain fog may have more to do with not eating the right amount of protein in your diet. Why, you might ask? One of the reasons is because the brain isn't getting the energy it needs to do its job. As we age and our estrogen levels decrease, the food the brain uses for energy changes. Normally, the blood-brain barrier, which is the protective layer around the brain, allows glucose, or sugars, to pass through and fuel the brain. As estrogen levels decrease, that this can be caused by either normal aging or gut imbalances, the blood-brain barrier doesn't allow glucose to pass through as easily as it once did. So instead, the brain starts using amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, for fuel. Unfortunately, amino acids are not as efficient for the brain to use as glucose. And if you're not eating enough protein in your diet, that compounds the brain energy problem. Brain fog is happening because the brain simply isn't getting enough fuel. And when it doesn't get enough fuel, it feels like literally brain fog, cloudy thinking, and it's really, really difficult to concentrate. So what can you do if you're experiencing brain fog? Well, the simple fix, of course, is to eat more protein, but overdoing it can cause some other issues. Too much protein can, 1, put a lot of stress on the kidneys, 2, increase your risk of inflammation, and 3, it can kind of prevent you from staying asleep. So the key is to find the right amount of protein and the right types of protein for you that helps to reduce brain fog without these unintended side effects. You need to find out your baseline data and make adjustments from there. Ixcela testing and personalized programs really can help. So don't let your life ambitions get derailed by biology. You can do something to influence the severity of brain fog and other perimenopause and menopause symptoms the natural way. Get started by asking your healthcare provider about using Ixcela testing to personalize your program.